Unlock the secret to Korean glass glow skin with the Medicube Salmon DNA PDRN Pink Peptide Serum. This revolutionary serum targets dull skin and enhances elasticity, helping you prevent breakouts while boosting your skin's glow. Infused with Salmon DNA PDRN, this serum stimulates skin renewal and repair, giving you a luminous complexion and a more even skin tone. With key ingredients like niacinamide and 5 types of peptides, it effectively cares for uneven skin tone and improves elasticity. Enjoy long-lasting hydration with this serum that protects your skin barrier against pollutants while smoothing texture. Its mild formula is suitable for all skin types. It's dermatologist-tested, low-irritating, and free from harmful additives. With an impressive 4.6-star rating from over 5,000 reviews, this serum is the talk of the skincare community. Don't wait to experience the transformation. Click the link in the description to check it out and consider a purchase.